How to reset new Outlook to restore it to the default state. So here I am in the new version of Outlook. So sometimes you might experience some problems in using the application. There might be like a bug or like a problem when navigating right here in your Outlook application. So what you can do is that you can reset the Outlook application to the default state so that it will fix the problems that it encounters. So to do that, what you can do is that you can go to the search function and then search for installed applications. So right here, click installed apps. From there, it will open your settings for your installed applications. From there, you can just type Outlook in the search bar. And then from here, here is Outlook. Click the three dots, then click Advanced Options. From here, you can scroll down and then you can see the reset section. So there are two ways that you can reset Outlook. So you can just click repair so that it will try to fix the problem that Outlook has without resetting the data. So if I just click repair, it will try to repair the app. Or like, for example, if I try to close it, click repair. Sometimes it says this one, we couldn't repair this app, try again in a bit. So if it's not working, what you can do is that you can just go ahead and directly reset your Outlook to the default state. Keep in mind, if you do this, it will reset all of the data of Outlook. So what you need to do is that you would need to sign in again to your Outlook account so that you can access your Outlook emails. So from here, just click reset. And then as you can see, there will be a window right here that says this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So just click reset and then that should now be done. So it says right here, we couldn't reset this app. So if that happens, what we can do is that we can terminate the processes of the app right here. So let's click terminate. And then let's try if it's now working. So if it's still not happening, you can right click, go to the task manager, and then find if there are some Outlook services right here. So there isn't any Outlook processes. Then we can retry resetting the application. So we can try going back to installed apps. From here, let's find Outlook again, which is right here. And then go back to advanced options, and then let's try resetting the application. Now, as you can see, it now worked. So from there, when we open the Outlook application again, so let me just close this, go right here to search, type in Outlook, which is this one. This is the new version of Outlook. And then now, as you can see, our Outlook is back to the default state and I would need to sign in again to my account. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can reset the new Outlook to restore it to the default state. I hope you learn how to do it and thank you for watching.